Joining NumPy array is putting two or more array in single array. To do this, we use concatenate function. I prepared these two arrays to help you understand this concept. Write concatenate these two arrays. We write NP stand for pandas, and we write concatenate function. Inside these two parentheses, I'm going to pass that array I needed to concatenate or to join. And when I run this, you see our array has joined. Also, we may spliting NumPy array. This act is reversing operation of joining. Joining merges multiple arrays into one, while when we spliting, we breaks one array into multiple array. To do this in Python, we use array split function. Let's first name this joined array. And then we are going to split this joined array into three arrays. We use NP and we use function array split. For first argument, we pass our array. Then our array is joined array. While the second argument is the number of array you want from that array you are going to split. Let's say we need 3 array. Then let's run this. Now you see, we created 3 arrays. We may need to sort an array on any sequence order. To do this, we use sort function. We simply come here and write NP and write sort function. Inside this sort function, we need to pass our array we need to sort. Then if I run this, you see our array is sorted. Whether you need to search a certain value in an array, you can use where function. This where function, it returns the index of that value you want. And also in where function, you can pass a condition. Let's take a look. To search an element, we may say np dot where function. Now here we can search in this array, we write array name, and we search the element which is equal to 40. Now this will return the index of where 40 is located. How many value of 40 we have is 1. Let's run this. Now this element is located on index 3. If you count very well, you can find 40 is located on index 3. You can also pass the condition inside this function of where. By passing a condition, you can write like a condition that calculates or find the number that is divisible by 2. We simply use modulus sign and we take the remainder from taking each element in an array, we divide by 2. And we found if the remainder is equal to 0, we will return the index where that element is stored in the array. Let's run this. Now you see, this index is for number that divisible by 2 or even number.